When someone betrays you, the pain is enough on its own, but sometimes what hurts just as much is how others respond when you choose to stay. You might expect support, compassion, or at the very least, quiet understanding, but instead, you get judgment, criticism, silence. I can't believe you're still with them. You deserve better. Once a cheater, always a cheater. And sometimes the words are even worse and intentionally cruel. It's like your heartbreak isn't enough, now you have to defend your healing too. Let's be honest, deciding to stay after infidelity isn't weakness. It's not denial, it's not naive, it's a choice. And it's yours to make. When someone cheats, people rush to pick sides. They want a villain, a hero, a clean break. But healing from betrayal is messy, complex. It doesn't fit into other people's timelines or expectations. Friends and family might think they're protecting you by urging you to leave. What they don't realize is sometimes staying is an act of protection too. Protection of your family, your identity, your long-term dreams. Does that mean the betrayal didn't matter? Of course not. But what matters most is how the two of you choose to face it now. When loved ones push back on your decision to stay, it usually comes from a place of fear. They fear you'll get hurt again. They fear you're being manipulated. They fear that if they were betrayed, they'd never recover, so they project that onto you. It can feel like a lack of trust, but often it's a misguided form of love. Unfortunately, their fear doesn't make room for your truth. And your truth matters. If you're choosing to stay and rebuild, you don't have to convince everyone. Here's what you can do. Set boundaries. Let people know you're not inviting judgment into your healing. Ask for emotional support, not agreement. Surround yourself with voices that respect your journey, even if they wouldn't take the same path. Find a therapist or coach who can walk beside you without bias. You don't owe anyone your story, and you don't need everyone's approval to heal. Whether your relationship survives or not, you deserve dignity, compassion, and the freedom to choose your own way forward. This isn't about staying or leaving. This is about taking your power back. You get to write this chapter, and no one else holds the pen.